Galaxy S23 Ultra has 6.8 inches display and Galaxy A73 5G has 6.7 inches display. Here is the display resolution of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Aspect ratio of Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G is 20:9. Pixel density of Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G is 519 ppi and 393 ppi. Here is the screen to body ratio of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G. Brightness nuts of Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G is 1800 nits and 800 nits. Here is the glass protection of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G. Operating system of Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G is Android V13 and Android V12. Galaxy S23 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and Galaxy A73 5G has Snapdragon 778G chipset. Here is the CPU process of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G. Here is the GPU of both Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G. The back camera of Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G can record video up to in 8K at 60 fps and 4K at 30 fps. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones have 32 megapixels front camera. The front camera of Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G can record video up to in 4K 60 fps and 4K at 30 fps. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones have 5000 mAh battery. S23 Ultra has 45 watt fast charging and Galaxy A73 has 25 watt fast charging. Galaxy S23 Ultra has reverse charging but Galaxy A73 5G doesn't. Galaxy S23 Ultra has wireless charging but Galaxy A73 5G doesn't. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones have GPS. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones have in-display fingerprint sensor. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones have face unlock. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones have NFC. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones are water resistant. Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G is IP68 and IP67. Neither Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy A73 5G have a 3.5mm headphone jack.